I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by fitting the extension tube to boost magnification. This changes the lens to sensor distance so you can focus closer. Once the camera is off, align electronic contacts and click the tube to the body, then mount the lens to the tube. You do this first because secure mechanical and electrical connections preserve autofocus and aperture control on smart tubes. Make sure the lens is set to AF if you want assistance. Otherwise, use manual focus for predictable tiny adjustments. Once the tube is mounted, stabilize your camera because magnification amplifies motion. Put it on a tripod and use a timer or remote. Then control depth of field by selecting a mid to small aperture like f/8 to f/16. This increases sharp area but may reduce light, so adjust ISO or shutter speed accordingly. For critical focus, switch to live view and zoom in to manually fine-tune or bracket focus, and stack images later for greater detail. Finish by making a test series. Check focus at 100%, tweak composition, and reshoot with lighting adjustments. Use a ring flash or diffused LED to avoid harsh shadows because natural light often falls off at close range. If the camera won't communicate with the lens or aperture won't change, power off and clean the metal contacts. If that fails, enable manual aperture control or try a different lens to isolate the issue. This quick check resolves most common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.